Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today I'm going to show you how to enable Windows Sandbox. Windows Sandbox is a fantastic feature that allows you to run applications in a secure environment without affecting your main system. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. First, ensure that your Windows version supports Windows Sandbox. You need to be using Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise or Education, and your system must have virtualization enabled in the BIOS. Next, press Windows plus R and it will open the Run dialog box. Now type here optional features and press enter. This will open the Windows Features window. In the Windows Features window, scroll down and look for Windows Sandbox. Check the box next to it and click OK. Windows will now install the necessary files. Once the installation is complete, you may need to restart your computer, and after restarting, you can find Windows Sandbox by typing Windows Sandbox in the Start menu. So I'm not gonna restart my PC because I'm recording the screen right now. So after restarting, Windows Sandbox will appear on the Start menu and you can search it from here. After finding the sandbox, you have to click on that and a new isolated desktop environment will launch where you can install the test application safely. Anything you do in Windows Sandbox won't affect your main system. When you are finished, just close the sandbox window and everything will be deleted automatically, keeping your system clean. Enabling Windows Sandbox is essential for testing software safety without risking your main operating system. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.